Hey there, welcome. Today I want to share with you one of my all-time favorite kitchen gadgets, the Vitamix E310 Explorian Blender. If you love smoothies, soups, sauces, or even making your own nut butter, this blender is going to be your new best friend. Let me tell you a bit about this powerhouse blender. The Vitamix E310 is a professional-grade blender with a 48 ounces container, perfect for whipping up large batches of your favorite recipes. The sleek slate color will look great in any kitchen, and the compact size means it won't take up too much counter space. Now, let's talk about the benefits and features of the Vitamix E310. One of the things I love most about this blender is its powerful motor. With 10 variable speeds, you can easily adjust the blending process to achieve the perfect texture every time. Whether you want a silky smooth smoothie or a chunky salsa, this blender can handle it all. The high-quality blades are designed to blend even the toughest ingredients, so you can say goodbye to chunks in your smoothies. Plus, the container is made of BPA-free material, so you can blend with peace of mind knowing your food is safe from harmful chemicals. Now, let's talk about some use cases and how to use the Vitamix E310. If you're a smoothie lover like me, you'll appreciate how quickly and efficiently this blender can turn your favorite fruits and vegetables into a delicious drink. Just toss in your ingredients, select your desired speed, and blend away. But this blender isn't just for smoothies. You can use it to make creamy soups, silky sauces, homemade nut butter, and even grind your own flour. The possibilities are endless. When comparing the Vitamix E310 to other blenders on the market, its professional-grade quality really sets it apart. Cheaper blenders may struggle with blending tough ingredients or burn out quickly, but with the Vitamix E310, you're investing in a durable and reliable appliance that will last for years to come. Now, I want to share some tips for using your Vitamix E310. To ensure optimal blending, always start with the liquid ingredients at the bottom of the container, followed by softer ingredients, and then add the harder ingredients on top. This will help the blades easily grab and blend everything thoroughly. In conclusion, if you're looking for a high-quality blender that can handle all your blending needs, look no further than the Vitamix E310 Explorian Blender. Say goodbye to chunky smoothies and hello to silky smooth perfection with this powerhouse appliance. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link below to get your hands on the Vitamix E310 Explorian Blender today and start blending like a pro. Trust me, you won't regret it.